Look at this mess. Nice oil stains coming from under the truck. Right there. That's where the problem is. That's going to be the power steering pump, and it's leaking. There. That's the leak. I'm going to have to get in there, swap it out, unless I want to be lazy, pay Mike to do it over at the shop. But yeah, as you can see, those leaks suck. Leaving spots in the driveway. I've been using cat litter, but that only is a temporary fix, obviously. Cat litter. Because if anybody knows, no matter how nice your old car is, you're going to need some of this. Because if it's old, it leaks. Making a mess. I got those boards in the back where I cut the notches in there, and they just sit in those pockets, keeping the sandbags in place. You know, plastic liner is going to let it slide around, so this helps make sure that they kind of stay over that axle nice and smooth. But yeah, definitely gets the job done. So what do I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is it, 300 pounds? It does the job. So I could get the dirt off the windshield. Making a run to the auto parts store. The power steering pump is leaking. Took it over to Meineke. My buddy Mike owns the shop over there, and they put it up on the lift. And as it turns out, it's leaking in my driveway, which looks like poop. So I've got cat litter all over the place. And so we'll see what my options are. See what O'Reilly has as regards to, you know, what they've got option-wise for me. It's a 3100. That's a 3/4 ton. It's a beast. So our trip to O'Reilly's, come to find out, it's not that going to be that expensive to replace the power steering pump. It's a power steering pump and reservoir combo. So everything's all together that you're going to need. Doesn't look to be too difficult to do yourself. Now it's cold here, so it's a matter of, am I going to want to do that myself or take it to the shop and have Mike take care of it? If I have Mike take care of it, I'm looking at about $300 with labor and parts. If I do it myself, I'm looking at about $63 for the tank and reservoir. It's got a $15, $20 core charge, so of course you're going to get that back when you trade in the old part. It's just a matter of, do I want to do it myself? More than likely going to lean do it myself, save the extra cash, and be able to, pocket those savings. Doing some errands with the wife. She's excited to be on my YouTube channel. Oy. As always, thank you for watching the channel. If you could, hit that like button, share, and even leave a comment if you would. I really do appreciate it. And until next time, Rob's Garage.